Well, living the American dream to most of us means owning our own home. And for most of us who get to do that, we also thank our veterans and those who currently serve our country for giving us that freedom to have that dream. Well, joining us this morning is Melanie Gaskin. She is the CEO of Impossible Mortgage, who not only helps us buy that dream home, she also served our country and now wants to help others achieve their dream. Welcome to Sonoran Living. And first of all, let me be the first to thank you for being here and thank you for serving our country,
Thank you so much, Terry, for having me here. I'm super excited to be here.
I am excited to have you. You became a Marine how long ago?
So I joined the Marine Corps in 2006 from high school, and I served until 2010 in Yuma, Arizona.
Wow. Well, thank you so much. I'm so impressed by that, first of all. And so now you're using that passion to help other veterans have that American dream, which I just talked about. First of all, I want to talk about Impossible, because your mortgage company and how you help people, this whole thing came about because people said, you do the impossible.
Yes.
How is it that you're so passionate about making stuff happen for your clients?
So I remember going through the home buying process in 2017 when I purchased my first home, and I was not in the best situation with my credit and things like that, but I was able to obtain a home.
Yeah.
And so what I learned is I said, I really want to be able to do this as well. And so I got my license in 2018.
Wow.
And I was with a company that I was not able to do VA loans. So I branched out and I started learning about VA loans. I was traveling to different states, learning from some of the experts that have been doing this over 20 and 30 years, reading all the guidelines and things like that. And so I really learned that the VA loan is so powerful. Wow. The VA does not require a minimum credit score, and that's something that a lot of people do not know.
And a lot of veterans won't even try for that reason. They think, oh my gosh, I've done, not taken very good care of my credit, or I've had issues. But you have learned this process, so you're making it easy for them to get this loan, right?
Yes. So as a broker,
holding our hand, so to speak.
Yes, absolutely. So as a broker, one of the very great things about being a broker is that you partner with all of these different lenders, right? And every lender has their own requirements. And so a lot of people, when they go to apply for a mortgage, if they go to just one company, that one company may just have their own requirements that they may not meet. And so a lot of people give up at that point and they think, okay, I can't do this. And so what they didn't realize is that the VA guidelines really specify that you don't need a minimum credit score. And as long as you have a pretty much 12 months of clean credit history, you can obtain a VA loan. So you just have to be able to find a lender that to be able to accommodate that.
Well, and find a lender who understands the process, which is exactly what you do. And it's not just veterans you help everybody.
I help everyone. I love helping people obtain home ownership. I mean, I call my clients my families. Like, I still talk to a lot of my clients from years ago. I remember everything about every single client that I've ever worked with.
I somehow believe that to be absolutely true. I really do. And then real quickly, I want to just the rates, right? The interest rates keep going up. Is it still a good time to buy a house?
I really do believe it's still a good time to buy a house, and here's why. When the rates were down, what people fail to realize is that you start having those bidding wars with sellers, right? So people are paying over asking price when the rates are down because there's more people that can qualify now. So now that the rates are kind of coming back to normal, it makes things kind of level out with the prices. And so a lot of people think that this is not normal, but this is normal. Yeah, this is normal.
Right? I could tell you some stories from way back in the day. And the bottom line is that you can help anybody. That's why it's called Impossible. She does the impossible, but specializing in VAs, and you can always refinance later, right?
Absolutely.
All right. Melanie, thank you so much. And again, thank you for serving our country. I want to give our viewers at home a little more information. How about this? This is a special offer she brought along. Veterans receive a free appraisal. There you go. Impossible. The letter M. Possible Mortgage Group. She's located at 3101 North Central Avenue, Suite 183 in Phoenix. Here's a number to call, 844-348-6386, or visit the website mpossiblemortgage.com.